Have you ever wondered why escalators have brushes on the side? These seemingly odd bristles can be found on escalators worldwide, piquing our curiosity. You may have thought they were for cleaning your shoes, but that's not their real purpose. Actually, the brushes on escalators serve a very important safety function. You've probably noticed them, those stiff bristles lining the sides of an escalator. While they may seem like a minor detail, they play a crucial role in keeping escalator riders safe. These brushes are designed to act as a tactile warning for passengers. When you feel the brush against your leg, it's a gentle reminder to keep your feet, clothing, and personal belongings away from the escalator sides. This helps to prevent something called entrapment, which happens when an object or body part gets caught between the moving steps and the stationary sidewall. In fact, these brushes are a key safety feature in reducing the risk of accidents on escalators. You see, escalators are designed to be safe, but they're not without their risks. When passengers stand too close to the sides or let their belongings dangle over the edge, they're increasing the chance of an accident. So the brushes are there to guide you and your belongings away from the sides, helping to maintain a safe distance from any potential danger. They're a small but significant part of how escalators are designed, with your safety in mind. So while they might not clean your shoes, these brushes are indeed keeping you safe. Now, whenever you see those brushes on escalators, you'll know they're not just for show. They're not there to give your shoes a quick spruce up or to dust off your bag. No, these brushes hold a much more significant role. They're there as a safety measure, guiding us and our belongings away from the potentially dangerous sides of the escalator. They're gentle reminders of the boundaries we should respect. Remember, safety first, even when you're just riding an escalator.